Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Bome or Book of Meme. Wanted to do a quick update. In general, I've covered this quite often, so I know quite a lot of you are also at least interested in Bome and when there's opportunities. And I do think, like yesterday, with the momentum that we had yesterday afternoon, mostly yesterday morning, it started. With that momentum, we actually got a nice bullish breakout. As you can see, this is the 12-hour time frame, and one of the most interesting or one of the most strong levels for Bome in terms of resistance was this level right here at 0.98 cents. And then apart from that, also 1 cent, big psychological level, of course. And with that momentum yesterday, and this is a 12-hour time frame, we'll dive into the specifics in a moment. But with that momentum, we actually broke above that. So that's interesting, all right? Because that means that if you look back at the past for Bome, we obviously deviated, or at least we had a bit of a fall down here. Then we had a bullish divergence right here with the RSI and the price. So having some sort of a structure like this, where you're basically in a downtrend, you form a double bottom with a bullish divergence with the RSI, and you get a bullish breakout. Those are all reversal patterns, all right, or reversal signals. So then the main question becomes, well, can this actually turn into a bigger reversal, which in turn results into into an uptrend? So that's what I wanted to talk about. I think in general, like if you look at the 4-hour time frame here, it looks quite convincing, as in this breakout. So I think the main level we broke out above, I'll quickly mark it, is this level, right? So that goes basically from 1 cent, which is a big psychological support level, down to this trend line, which is also the 0.236 fib of this move down. The retest, right? The 100 EMA you have there, you have the 28, you have the 50 EMA, all at that small level. And honestly, I'll even place a price alert there, because I actually do think that getting some sort of an entry here could actually be a relatively good trade. So something like this, right? So you enter at the trend line, it's invalidated if we drop down below the key level. So let's give it a bit of space and do something like this. And then you will try to get back up to at least a 302 fib, but hopefully even higher up here. Looks like a pretty solid trade. But the thing is, and that's also the idea with the trades, is that we do need some sort of confirmation, because this breakout right now technically is worth quite a bit. But the market circumstances, in my opinion, are not ideal, all right? And for a real meme coin rally, I think we need somewhat more bullish market circumstances. And for that, we have to look at Bitcoin. I think as long as Bitcoin is below 62,200, which is its main resistance level right now, as long as that's the case, I don't think Bome can form a big rally. So purely technically, I would say at this point of time, it's most likely that Bome will respect support, and that we will rally up higher towards 1.15, 1.2, and 1.25 cents. Purely technically, that's most likely because of the bottom we formed, the bullish divergence down there, the bullish breakout right here, the price structure on the short term that we're forming. That's all bullish. But for me, what I want to see, and yesterday we gained quite a lot of momentum. So that's great, right? That's another confluence. But what I want to see now is that now that the open interest is dropping down, if we drop down to that level right here at 0.97 cents, which I do expect, can we gain momentum from that level again? If we do, and Bitcoin is relatively strong as well, then I think that's enough of a confirmation to assume this is going to happen. But if we drop down to that level and we gain no momentum and Bitcoin stays weak like it is right now, then this will just be a one big fake out. We'll respect the 302 fib, and we'll drop back down like this. All right, so keep that in mind. At this moment, I have to say this bullish scenario is a bit more likely due to all the confirmations we're getting, but that doesn't mean you don't need to wait for more confirmation. All right, so those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.